Hey guys! Hey y'all! Hey everybody! Alright, I'm back with another makeup tutorial today, but today we're going to do just the eyes. It's kind of like my last video that I did. I had my foundation, concealer, my powder, and blush and everything on. So yeah, today I'm going to zoom y'all in and we're going to do the eyes. Alright, you can see my eyes better now. And we're going to go in with the Milani Soft and Sultry palette first. And we're going to, can I open this one? Okay, thought I was opening it wrong. And we're going to go in with the like tan color right here. So I'm going to take the all over shadow brush and put that all over my eyes. That was a lot. Okay, now we're going to take the crease brush and go in with the a little bit darker shade right here. Okay. Now we're going to take a little bit darker of a color and we're going to go in with this shade right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a little bit darker in the crease. And now we're going to do the other eye. Okay, now you see the crease is getting darker, and we're going to leave this palette open, but we're going to go into the Dusk Till Dawn, a W7, and we're going to take the purple shade right here. Is it focusing? Focus on me. Okay. Take that purple shade and put it in the crease. Take a little bit more of that purple and put it on the other eye. We're trying to darken up that crease a lot. So when I put on the shade Mojave, I think I pronounced that right, I'm going to put that on the lid part and it'll be like a little bit darker in the crease and then shiny on the lid. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of Wild, this shade right here, and we're going to put that in the crease also. Okay, take a little bit more of that color and put it on the other eye. Okay, how's it looking, guys? See, I've got the purple and the reddish color and the brown in the crease on both eyes. And now we're about to do the lid. Okay, so we're going to take the Mojave color right here and we're going to put that all over the lid. Okay, I'll take that same color and put it on the other eye. Okay, now we're going to take the detailer brush and put some of Wild underneath the eye. Okay guys, now that I've got Wild under the eyes, I'm going to go back in with the Milani palette right here. And I'm going to put the darker color that I put in the crease on my lower lash line to darken up the underneath eye. Okay, so I just connected the eyeshadow to the top right here. And I'm about to put on mascara and lipstick and we'll be finished. I'm using the CoverGirl Peacock Flare again, and I'm going to put that all over my lashes. Okay, now I just need to do the lips. I'm going to find a really pretty lip color. Whereas today I'm going to try to find a red in this mess of a bag. And we're going to try to put that on. Well, not try, we're going to succeed in putting that on. I know I have a red in here somewhere. That's my new. Gosh dang it. Oh wait, is this a red? NYX. Yes, that's a red. I found it. Okay. So we're going to put that on the lips and then we'll be finished. Oh wait, let me zoom out. Okay. Now we've got that on, I'm going to go in with a light gloss and put that on top. No, actually, I'm going to try something really different. I'm going to try this BH Cosmetics Party Girl, and it's like a white powder, and I'm going to attempt to put that on my lips. Okay, so now I've got that ombre effect, and I've made a mess. But that's okay, makeup is art, and art is messy. So, that's going to be, well, let me spray my face first. Oh, got that in my eye. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hope you had a great time watching me today. And remember to subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, comment down below if you loved my video, and share it with all of your friends. Alright guys, have a great day. Goodbye!